Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you what is Snapchat AI and how to use it. So let's go ahead and dive straight into the video. Snapchat AI is all about making the Snapchat experience more fun and personalized using artificial intelligence. Imagine it as the magic behind the app that brings cool effects to life and helps you find interesting stuff and keeps things safe and friendly. The first function of Snapchat AI is fun filters and lenses. You can see this search icon over here in the middle. If you have ever seen those funny face filters or AR effects that turn you into a dog, a rainbow, or even swap faces with your friends, that's Snapchat's AI at work. It uses facial recognition to add these effects perfectly to your selfies in real time. So you can select one of these filters. This is the functionality of Snapchat AI. You can discover new things. Snapchat AI helps you find exciting content. In the Discover section, it learns what you like and suggests stories, shows, and snaps that make your interest, so you always have something fun to watch. If you click on this person icon and scroll a bit down, you can see the Discover icon. So under Discover, you can see that this can easily be played. So if you want to tap next, you can just go ahead and tap on the screen, or if you want a different channel, you can just swipe left or right according to your wish, and you can see the contents accordingly. So this is the Discover section enabled by Snapchat AI. You can also find the cool location features. When you're out and about, Snapchat AI can recommend popular spot events or snaps from popular nearby. It's like having a friendly guide that knows the best places to check out. So if you want to see what is happening on some places, you can just go ahead and tap on the location and people would have posted snaps on it. So if their location is kind of busy, you can just go ahead and see that this is quite busy area because the location is being highlighted over here. Just go ahead and tap on this location, wait for a while, and you can see that Snapchat will send you cool location features, and you can also see where your friends are from here. You can also hide yourself, show your friends where you are, and share your live location to others using this cool location features. The third feature of Snapchat AI is chatbots and helpers. Sometimes Snapchat has chatbots that can chat with you, suggest fun lenses, or answer your questions. It's like having a little assistant inside the app. So you can go to your friends over here in the chat and you can search for My AI. After you search for My AI, you can see this is a chatbot. You can also customize its personality, change how it looks, but this is a premium feature. If you tap on it, you can see that it will lead you to Snapchat Plus. You can buy this, so after you buy it, you can use the bio also, but if you want to change how this looks, you can do that as well. So you can do this, and you can change how the AI looks and you can chat with it. So you can go ahead and ask whatever you like to this AI. So after you ask something, ChatGPT AI will tell you the answer. So you can also see some of the interesting facts that can be shown over here. As soon as you talk to My AI, you can see that these are the things which you can do. So you can see that it is your assistant. You can search for movies to watch, improve your writing skills, learn about the math topic or anything. So if you want to ask something to do for this, you can just go ahead and click on this photo icon, open your camera, search or tap on the click and go to My AI. Then you can say copy all of these. After you give the command, you can see that there must be some things. So you can see that it has been copied as well. So this chatbot is quite effective. You can ask it. It's just like ChatGPT, but a little bit more fun, and the accuracy might be a little bit low as well. So you can see this is your AI robot and it is purely functional. You can ask it a lot of things, conversate with it and whatnot. So the last thing that Snapchat AI does is keeps things safe. The Snapchat also uses AI to keep the platform safe by spotting and removing inappropriate content, making sure everyone has a good time. So, Snapchat AI is like the tech wizard behind the curtain, making your Snapchat experience more fun, personalized, and safe. So guys, this is what Snapchat AI is and how to use it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.